Alright, so here is a continuation of the previous video. So let's go talk about the variation table. So we have minus infinity, we have minus 2, and we have plus infinity. But some other informations we have x could be 0 and x could be minus 1. Those were the intercepts. So we also indicate them here. We begin with the smallest, minus 1, then 0. Okay. Now, next thing we have to do is the sign of f prime of x. In these intervals, okay, these are the various intervals we are considering. But in this guy, this guy here, for this guy, x is not equal to, x is not defined at -2. It's a vertical asymptote, that's why I need to cancel it. Now we saw that no matter where x lies in the domain, f prime is always greater than 0. If you're greater than 0, what is your sign? Positive. So you are positive in any interval taken. Now, the next thing is the shape of f of x. If you are positive, if f prime is positive, how is f? F is increasing. So we have increasing, 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 and increasing. Now, there are some other things you also have to impute. You increase from where to where, from where to where, from where to where, and from where to where. You increase from the limit at negative infinity, which was 1. You increase to the limit at -2 from below. Let's go back to our limit. Limit at -2 from below. Limit at -2 from below is positive infinity. So you are going to increase from 1 right up till positive infinity. Then you continue increasing from the limit at -2 from above, which was negative infinity. You increase to what is the value of y when x is -1. When x is -1, y is equal to 0. So we have from minus infinity to 0. You continue increasing from the 0 to f of 0. F of 0 was half. Then you continue increasing from half to the limit at positive infinity, which is 1. Now let us sketch. So sketching is very easy. We just have, we first of all start by indicating the vertical and the horizontal asymptote. Vertical asymptote x equal to -2. So I have maybe something like here. Here is it, x equal to -2. Horizontal asymptote x equal to 1. So here is it. Sorry, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Intercepts. What are intercepts? When x is 0, y is half. So we have 0 half. If this is 1 half, is around here. And then when y is 0, x is -1. If this is -2, then -1 is here. So these are the two intercepts. Okay, now let's go back. You increase from the limit at minus, this portion here, x is going to minus infinity. And when x is going to minus infinity, the graph is going to 1. So you start increasing from 1. You increase where to plus infinity. That is a limit at -2 from below is plus infinity. Y is going to plus infinity. Now after that, you continue from where? From the limit at -2 from above. And the limit at -2 from above is minus infinity. Here is it. Minus infinity. You increase to where? You increase to -1. That is when x is -1. And then you continue increasing from there to when x is 0. That's on the y-axis. And then you increase to where? To the limit at plus infinity, which is 1. So you increase to here. Voila. So you don't cross your asymptotes. So this is a graph of y equal to x plus 1 on x plus 2. Alright, x not equal to -2. So that's a graph. Okay, so guys, here is just the ending of the video, though it's not too long, but anyway, it's just a continuation of the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, check this channel. You're going to see how this graph was analyzed and being sketched. So I'm going to give you a little assignment. I'm going to give you a little assignment here. So sketch y equal to x minus 1 on x plus 3. You can send me your answer on WhatsApp 676597498. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, because I don't know if you enjoyed this video, okay, but tell me that in the comment section.